Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a folder in iPhone. You cannot create a folder directly in iPhone. For this you have to apply a technique. First, tap and hold any of the app from your apps list. Then drag this app over another app and you can see a new folder is created named photo and video. Now tap on this folder. You can rename this folder. For this, tap on the cross button beside the folder name. Now enter a new folder name. Now go back and your folder is renamed. Let's try this again. Tap and hold any of the app and drag the app over any of the app. Your second folder is created which name is social. Tap on this folder. Try to rename this folder again. Now go back. So in this way you can create a folder in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.